Imagine transforming your English from shaky to unstoppable, all while enjoying a great story or article. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Reading is the ultimate hack to skyrocket your English skills. Welcome to English Mindset, where we share game-changing tips to make learning English fun and effective. Today, we're revealing why reading is your key to speaking, writing, and thinking like a native. Stay tuned for practical ways to make reading your daily superpower. Why reading is your path to English mastery. Reading isn't just about words on a page. It's like having a front row seat to the English language in action. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to sound fluent, reading builds your vocabulary, sharpens your grammar, and boosts your confidence. In this English Mindset video, we'll show you why reading is a must for learning English and how to make it a fun part of your day. Let's jump in. The magic of reading for English learners. Reading in English is like unlocking a treasure chest of language skills. It's not just about understanding, it's about absorbing English naturally, from new words to cultural nuances. Here's how reading can transform your journey to fluency. Building a bigger, better vocabulary. Reading throws you into a world of new words without the boredom of flashcards. When you read a story or article, words come alive in real sentences. Picture this. You're reading a blog that says she was overjoyed to find her lost puppy. You might not know overjoyed, but the context, finding a puppy, tells you it means super happy. That's how you learn effortlessly. Plus, reading shows you synonyms in action. One day you see glad, the next thrilled or ecstatic. Your word bank grows and soon you're using these words naturally when you speak or write. Grasping grammar naturally, grammar books can feel like a slog, but reading makes it painless. When you dive into a novel or news article, you see how sentences work in the real world. For example, they've been traveling across Europe for months. Without studying rules, you're soaking up the present perfect tense. Your brain starts noticing patterns, how verbs change, where prepositions fit, or how sentences flow. Over time, you'll write and speak correctly without thinking twice, because reading makes grammar second nature. Boosting your understanding, reading trains you to process English like a pro. It's not just about words, it's about catching the big picture, like ideas or emotions. Imagine reading a travel blog about New York City. Even if some words are new, you can follow the excitement of Times Square or Central Park. This skill helps in real-life situations, like understanding a podcast or a friend's story, even if you miss a few words. By scanning headlines, focusing on key sentences, or noticing the tone, is it funny or serious, you learn to grasp meaning fast. This makes you a sharper listener and reader, powering up your speaking and writing. Reading doesn't just stay on the page, it shapes how you express yourself. Dialogues and stories show you how native speakers chat, from casual greetings like, "What's good?" to heartfelt lines like, "I'm so proud of you." These phrases stick, so when you talk, you sound natural, not robotic. For writing, reading teaches you how to structure ideas, use punctuation, and keep readers hooked. A gripping novel or blog shows you how to craft emails or essays that shine. The more you read, the better you communicate. Discovering English-speaking cultures. English isn't just words, it's a doorway to new worlds. Reading stories, articles, or even social media posts reveals how native speakers live, think, and joke. A Canadian short story might mention hockey or maple syrup, while a UK blog could dive into tea culture or London slang. These insights make you a more confident conversationalist. You'll get the humor, catch references, and connect with native speakers on a deeper level. Reading is a powerhouse. It grows your vocabulary, simplifies grammar, sharpens understanding, boosts communication, and opens cultural doors. Now let's see how it makes you a better communicator in real life. How reading fuels your communication skills. Reading isn't just about soaking up words. It's about equipping you to shine in conversations and writing. By diving into English texts, you build a mental library of phrases and confidence that make speaking feel effortless. Here's how reading supercharges your communication. Stocking your conversation toolkit. Struggling to find the right words in a chat? Reading fills your mind with natural phrases. Novels and articles show you how native speakers talk, like saying, "What's the vibe today?" instead of a stiff, "How are you?" Or "Can you give me a hand?" instead of "Please help me." These phrases become part of your everyday speech. When you're chatting, you'll pull them out without a second thought, sounding smooth and confident. Thinking in English for fluency. Fluency is about speaking without pausing to translate. Reading trains your brain to think in English by exposing you to natural patterns. For example, if you read, "I was floored by the performance," in a concert review, that phrase sticks. Later, when you see something amazing, you might say, "I was floored," without building the sentence from scratch. This shift, thinking in English, eliminates those awkward hesitations, making your speech faster and more natural. Sharpening pronunciation with reading aloud. Want to sound like a native? Read out loud. This trick hones your pronunciation and rhythm. Try a sentence like, "She was absolutely pumped for the festival." You'll notice which words pop, pumped, festival, and which flow quickly, was for. This mirrors how native speakers talk. Pair reading with an audiobook to copy a native's tone and pace. Over time, your accent softens and your speech sounds effortless. Building confidence through familiarity. The more you read, the more English feels like home. Common phrases like, "What's your take?" or "I'm all in" become second nature. When you speak, you're not just talking. You're expressing yourself with ease and swagger, boosting your confidence. Reading turns you into a skilled communicator, ready to chat, debate, or joke in English. Next, let's explore how to pick the perfect reading materials. Choosing the perfect reading materials. To make reading a blast, you need texts that match your level and spark your passion. The wrong material can feel like a chore, but the right one keeps you hooked. Here's how to choose wisely. Finding your level. Pick texts that challenge you just enough. Beginners can start with graded readers, simplified stories with easy words and grammar, kids' books, think Dr. Hainitsu's fun stories with clear sentences, comics, pictures make new words easier to guess. Intermediate learners can try adapted novels like The Great Gatsby, simplified, or short news stories. Aim for texts where you get about 80% of the words. Too many unknowns? Switch to something simpler. Reading what you love. Reading is a joy when it's about your passions. Into sports? Check out basketball blogs. Love food? Read recipe sites in English. Crazy about superheroes? Grab a Marvel comic. When you're excited about the topic, you'll keep reading, and new words stick faster. Search for blogs, forums, or even song lyrics that match your vibe. Mixing up formats. Keep it fresh by trying different types. Books. Deepen vocabulary and grammar. Blogs and news. Learn casual, everyday English. Magazines. Pick up trendy phrases and real-world topics. Audiobooks. Pair with text to boost listening and pronunciation. Switching formats keeps learning fun and strengthens all your skills. A news article today, a short story tomorrow, Variety keeps you engaged. Picking materials that fit your level and interests makes reading a highlight of your day. Now let's make it a habit. Making reading a daily habit. Consistency is the key to unlocking English fluency through reading. Even a few minutes a day can lead to massive progress. Here's how to weave reading into your routine. Setting realistic goals. Start small to stay motivated. Try these beginner goals. Read one page of a simple book daily. Skim a short article each morning. Finish a graded reader every month. Learn 3 new words per session. Track your progress in a notebook or app. Seeing how far you've come feels amazing. Building a routine. Link reading to your daily life. Morning. Read a blog over breakfast. Breaks. Skim an article during lunch. Night. Unwind with a story before bed. Use apps like Kindle or BBC Learning English for easy access. Set up a cozy reading spot. Quiet, well lit, with a notebook for new words. Silence distractions to stay focused. Reading on the go. No time? Sneak reading into your day. Waiting. Read an article in line at the store. Commuting. Pull out an ebook on the train. Before bed, skim a story to relax. Even 5 minutes counts. Make reading as automatic as checking your phone, and your English will soar. Consistency turns reading into a powerful habit. Next, let's tackle common reading challenges. Overcoming reading challenges. Reading in English can feel tough, but every hurdle has a solution. Here are 3 common obstacles and how to crush them. Handling unknown words. Too many new words can feel overwhelming, but you've got this. Guess from context. In the radiant smile lit up her face. Radiant likely means bright or happy because of the smile and face. Use surrounding words as clues. Use dictionaries smartly. Don't stop for every word. Highlight key terms that repeat, then check an English dictionary like Oxford to stay in English mode. Practice by summarizing paragraphs in your own words to lock in new vocabulary. Staying motivated and finding time. Feeling uninspired or too busy? Make reading fun and quick. Choose what excites you. Love gaming? Read about Minecraft updates. Into travel? Check out blogs about dream destinations. Passion fuels progress. Short bursts? Read 5 to 10 minutes during breaks or commutes. A few paragraphs daily is better than forcing a long chapter. Try a fun schedule. Monday, a music review. Tuesday, a short story. Small steps keep you hooked. Tackling long or complex texts. Long texts can feel scary, but you can break them down. Chunk it. Read 1 paragraph at a time. Summarize it to grasp the main idea. Read aloud. This boosts pronunciation and helps you feel the text's rhythm. Take notes. Jot down key points or 3 new words per page. If a text feels hard, read it twice. The second time, you'll catch more and feel more confident. With these tricks, reading becomes easier and more fun. You're building skills with every page. Reading is your ultimate tool for mastering English. It grows your vocabulary, makes grammar intuitive, sharpens understanding, and turns you into a confident speaker and writer. Plus, it dives you into English-speaking cultures, making your language journey exciting and meaningful. The secret? Start small, stay consistent, and read what you love. A comic, a blog, or a novel. Every word moves you closer to fluency. So what's next on your reading list? Share it in the comments. A book, an article, or even a fun post. Keep reading, keep growing, and subscribe to English Mindset for more tips to conquer English. Catch you in the next video.